So many of you ask me about my hair. Today, I'm going to share a hair tutorial using this. This is a new to me gadget. This is the Beach Waver. I'm kind of blown away by this. I purchased mine at Marshall's because my curling iron broke. I'm going to talk about that. You're going to hear me repeat that again. But I needed a new iron and I discovered this. I've seen them for years. But I always thought they were kind of gimmicky, but I'm here to tell you, it's pretty good. So I'm going to share a little bit of a demo, if you will, so you know how to use this. One thing I don't remember if I mentioned, so I'm going to put it on here on this part of it, is this is the, no, I think I did. To turn it off, you want to make sure you press it in, hold it, and then turn it off. I think I forgot to put that in there. So I put it in there now. Anyways, let's just get into the video. This is, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a review on the Beach Waver. So I was going to repurchase a curling iron because my curling iron broke, and I usually get my curling irons at Marshall's. So they didn't have any regular curling irons. All they had was this. And I've heard about these for years and kind of was curious about it. So I decided to pick this up and give it a try. And I'm going to tell you, I freaking love this. So much so that I'm going to go this week and buy a backup. So I want to have another one. So when this baby goes, I have another one, because I'm just going to tell you right now, if you want to buy one of these, go to Marshall, see if you have one there. Hopefully this video will be out soon enough and hopefully you'll be able to find it. Get it on sale, something, because I believe they retail for like $100. Mine was, this was $39.99, which basically is $40, okay? So it's like 40 bucks. And I do think it's worth 40 bucks. I'm trying to think what I paid for my other curling iron that I bought. I feel like it was between 30 and 40 maybe. So yeah, I really like this, and I'm going to tell you why. So I'm going to do a little tutorial for you. And I'm going to show you how to use it too. So number one, and I should have done this right, but it heats up fast. You want to turn it on, and it's going to the middle, which is fine, but I'm going to take it up a notch. So the first one is low setting, the middle one is medium setting, and this is a high setting. I'm going to keep it at the high. Then we have this right here. So this is going to turn your wand. You always want to make sure that you keep this like this as you're doing your hair, because if you turn it any way, you're going to be like, oh my God, where's the thing to turn it? And you're going to panic, because that's what I did when I first did it. Keep it straight, and then we're going to just spin it. I apologize for any hair that's hanging off here. I apologize for that. Excuse my stomach, I'm getting hungry. This is the little clippy clamp thing there, okay? I'm going to show you how to put your hair in it. Today, I'm just doing it without adding any product. If I really wanted this to stay, I would have to spray that living proof spray on it. I can't think of the name of it, but it's heat protectant, but it also helps lock your curl in. I'm just going to do this today. And I'm filming this when it's humid. So normally this time of the year, I do not curl my hair much because it's just a waste of my time, because it will be out in like 5 minutes. But in the wintertime, I will be curling it more, and this is what I'm going to be using because I love it. So you put it there. You don't want to put it on the end. And that's another thing. You don't want to take too wide of a section. So this is a good section. You put it right there. Then to go the way we want to turn it this way. And I should have grabbed this other hair too. So let me go back. Hold on. Some of those I may have to get. Okay. So now we're going to go like this. So what I like about this is if you are somebody, well, let's do this first. So now I'm going to bring it down, bring it down, bring it down again. So what I like about this is, number one, if you're somebody that you don't feel capable of like twisting the curling iron, some people don't. They just don't feel comfortable doing it. They're like, I feel like I'm all thumbs. You're going to love this. I feel like it's quicker as well. I feel like I can do my hair a lot quicker. I'm chatting, so probably not, but I feel like I can do it a lot quicker. And I feel like the curl is tighter because I'm getting it. It's almost pulling and wrapping it at the same time, which is something I don't normally do if I was curling it on its own. So that's the difference, I feel like, between this and then just like a regular curling iron. That's it. Those are the differences. Oops. Those are the differences. I'm just going to get this teeny tiny little piece. Now, something that you can do if you want, but I usually don't curl it like this, is you can do it like you could have a curl going this way and that way and this way and that way. Some people do that. I just like to do it this way, but this curling iron is going to make it easier for you to do it that way, because I'll tell you, when you're doing it and it's, to me, I always feel weird doing it the opposite way. This is going to make it so much easier for you to do. So look at how easy this is, right? Just like that. And I'll start getting ready to get the next section going. There we go. And always, before you start, get it in as close as you can. So you keep that in front, because that is a really important thing. Make sure you keep that button in front. Because otherwise you're going to be like, where's it at? That's what I was doing. I'm like, what am I doing wrong? I'm like, bitch, get your shit together. Figure it out. You know what you're doing. So I figured it out. Okay, so again, doopy, doopy, doop, doop. Take a little spin. This is a genius invention. I saw this and I thought, that looks like a nightmare. What if your hair it's not going to get stuck. It won't. But that's why keep this in front. You will find that you'll find this, okay? But just keep that thing straight. And by the way, this is fabulous. If I can find it, I will link it below. This is a mat that I'm using on my table right now, but I use it in my bathroom too, and it fits perfectly because the stand in here is not very good. And if you have nice counters, and even if you don't want to ruin it, this is a nice heat mat. So there you go on that. And the little things here, like you can't see because I'm holding it, but actually helps to keep it like up. So freaking love that thing. I don't know what the hole is for. I don't know if that's so if you hang it somewhere. I just place it like next to where I store my stuff. That's where I put it. Oh my gosh, I am so hungry right now. I'm trying to film all these videos because my husband is out of town for a funeral. And I'm trying to frantically film a lot of videos because we'll be doing travels soon. We do a lot of we just travel a lot. And so I like to do my videos ahead of time. And I have to clean my house today. I have to reshoot everything because everything that I filmed the other day was just complete crap. That's another reason why I like to film ahead of time too, because sometimes I film stuff and it's like, ugh. The lighting was really bad. My background looked not so nice. I fixed my background. And so, yeah. So if I feel like I sound like I'm hyped up, I am. I am. And it's not on, I haven't done it, drank too much caffeine, but it's like, I just have a lot going on. I'm trying my best to get everything done. And a nice little treat for me is I'm the only one home. I'm filming like I used to film when my daughter's in school, because she still lives with us. And she is working today. So everybody's gone. It's just me and the cats. That's nice. It's kind of nice. I mean, I miss my husband, but I mean, it's just nice I miss it. I was home by myself for years and years and years. I had all day to do my shit and have my alone time, and I don't have that anymore. And I'm going to tell you, when I first started filming here with people home, it was weird to me. But I'm used to it now. And my husband is too. He hears me talking and he just knows, okay, she's filming. But it's kind of nice to be home and do my thing like this, by myself. I actually like it. But it's not relaxing time because I'm trying to get a lot of shit done. So, oh my God, my stomach is just growling like crazy. I'm sorry if you're hearing that. I apologize. I really do. But look at how quick I'm doing my hair. It's super quick to do. I freaking love this. If you have one of these, share in the comments if you like it or you don't. I really like mine. I'm really, really liking this. And the color is cute. It's pink glitter. It's cute. And I actually am going to go back as I'm filming this, and I'm going to buy one for my daughter too for Christmas. So I think she would really like this. And she's not going to use mine. So that's another thing. If you could find this, I'm going to have to put this out before Christmas. And hopefully your Marshalls will have it. I'm sorry. If it doesn't, keep checking. We have a couple Marshalls by us. I don't know if I want to give it away because I really like it. But I'm just going to say that there is one that I like in a town. And I like it because it's a Marshalls and a Home Goods together. And I really like it. But I don't know if I want to share that. I don't, because it's a good one and it's always crowded there. So I don't know if I want to share the location. Some things I share, but I kind of don't want to share it. It's crowded as it is there. But I like it. It's a nice one. I feel like I always find stuff there. Not always at the Marshalls side do I find stuff, to be honest. But I do always find stuff I feel like at the Home Goods side. It's just a nice big Home Goods. And it's not too overly packed. We have one in my town and it's like, sometimes it's just so freaking cramped in there. You know what I mean? Because I just keep putting stuff out. And don't worry about the curls looking like this. Don't. Because they will loosen up. I mean, they do for me at least. They will loosen up. Now, I do see some people when they curl their hair, they kind of take their fingers and they kind of like go like that as they're doing it. You can if you want to. I know mine are going to loosen up. And I want my curls, I want something to be in there. I just wanted to see where the thing was at there. So I don't like to do that personally. And what I do is I just wait until it like cools off. And then you'll see. I'll take my fingers and just kind of run my fingers through it. I don't use a brush or anything. Because if you use a brush, you're just going to, my stomach, you're just going to pull the curl out. And we don't want to do that. Okay. All right, so I'm going to curl the other side. I'm going to let it all cool off. And then I'm going to finger, just going to show you how I fix it. This is what I do. I just take my fingers and I just do that. And this will loosen up. Now they have a different size barrel. They have one that's bigger than this. And you're going to get a looser curl. I don't know if I'm going to get that though. I kind of like the tighter for me because I know that my hair is going to get a little looser. It just will. It will get loose as the day goes on. But that is what it looks like. My brightness, hopefully I'm good. If that's it. So I really like this. And I should have, when I turned it off, I should have spun it around. So let me fix that really quick. So I really like this beach waver. I think it's fabulous. I don't know why I didn't try it years ago. I just thought it was just some silly gadget, but it really is nice. I feel like I have nicer curls. They're bouncier curls. If it's humid, I'm going to tell you my hair won't stay in. I probably, if I use some more like that spray product, like I said, from Living Proof, that would probably help keep it in longer. But I live in Florida. My daughter has the same issue. Her hair is long. And it's just an issue. But that's one of the reasons why well, you're going to see another tool. I do sometimes scrunch my hair. And I'm reviewing another tool. I don't know if it's going to be out before or after this. Anyways, I do really like this. I highly recommend it. But I would say, I don't know. I feel like $100 is a lot. I know it has a motor in it. But I'm just like, I don't know. It's extra. You could still get same results with a curling iron. It is a fun little tool. Makes it easier and quicker. But if you can find one, I would say get it on sale. Find it at your Marshalls is where I'm going to leave it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As I said before, I have a whole playlist of me with different hair lengths. Okay, over the years, I've shared different ways that I do my hair, different hair tools. Check it out. If I remember, I will link it below in the description if I can remember. But if not, you can find it on my my main page, you can find playlists and you'll see here tutorials or something like that. So you can find it there. So I really hope that this video was helpful and informative. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I share new videos on Sundays and Wednesdays. And before you leave, I would greatly, look at me, I'm Italian, I would greatly appreciate it if you would please make sure that if you enjoyed it, and I hope that you did, please make sure that you like, share, and comment, because it helps to push my videos out to algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.